beginner bikes. Today we'll be show you how to replace broken, destroyed bike wheel axle nut. The first step is remove your free wheel and after clean by metal brush surface near a axle. Now by 50mm case and a 70mm case unlock two nuts. This operation we make to service of hub, total service of hub. Now axle is free. I remove all the bearings balls. Now I use brake cleaner to clean axle and other parts, other components from grease and from dirt. Now you can see how looks broken axle nut. You can see damage on surface and you need to replace it on new one. But you need to know we have lots of types these nuts, and you need to choose the same nuts how you have in your broken hub. I found the same. Look at this comparison. Now I can replace on a new one axle nut. Everything must be perfectly clean. I clean inner of the hub before I apply new balls and grease. Look at this, very dirty and rusty. Now new bearings ball and I apply grease inside the hub and I assembly hub with a new grease and new bearings balls. Little bit of new grease on a new axle nut, protection cap, and I put 3D axle inside the hub. I assembly new nut here on another side and lock these two nuts, and here I do the same. Little bit of grease before I montage free wheel. I assembly wheel inside the frame and it's finished. Thanks for watching. Don't forget subscribe.